26,000 pesos per month, no down payment pre-selling condo in Uptown BGC? Tara, check natin. This is the Uptown Modern, the newest and tallest addition to the high-rise residential condos in Uptown BGC. This is an ultra-high-end pre-selling condo and all the units are semi-furnished with upgraded deliverables. Gaya na lang ng cooktop, range hood, fridge, microwave, washer, dryer, and split-type aircon. Prime yung location dahil 400 meters away lang from Uptown Mall and just across Landers BGC and Mitsukoshi. Madami din restaurants around the area and walking distance as well from St. Luke's Medical Center and only 8 kilometers away lang from an international airport. Comment the word more para po masend ko sa inyo yung full details. Surrounded na multinational offices and prestigious schools, kaya naman meron din captured market if ever na iparent or Airbnb nyo yung unit in the future. And since this is BGC, continuous lang yung mga developments like Metro Manila Subway and SkyTrain Monorail na magiging factor para mag-appreciate yung value ng property in the upcoming years. Again, for as low as 26,000 pesos per month and no down payment, pwede mo na ma-secure yung unit mo dito sa condo na to. Everyone are welcome to invest. Seasoned investors, young professional, OFWs, expats, and foreigners. Feel free to comment down below or send a direct message. Salamat!